I just wanted to show you guys the way I'm gonna do this. So I could spin my car, if you guys can see that. We are in the time where people are buying stuff that they're looking at and they want to see details from the back to the front, everywhere. As a content creator, I want to demo everything. So today I'm going to bring this thing that's a spinning wheel for all your model shots that you want to get. Especially, I use it for two things, right? So when I'm doing close up on little small stuff and I want to make sure that people are going to see all around the 360 of the actual product, I'm going to use this. Now, another great option I've been using it is for 3D scanning. So if you are into 3D printing and you own a scanner, and you're not supposed to move too much the scanner, but the actual wheel you can. So this is perfect, and it's black too, which is actual reflection of the actual system. Now, in order to get these two products to work, which I mean the controller and the actual spindle, all right, so batteries, it does require two batteries on the controller, all right? And it does require three batteries for the bottom part of it, right? If you don't have batteries, because you don't need batteries to also, they give you a type A to type C control cable, the USB, and you can just plug it in directly. But to avoid cables, I don't want to do that. I just want to avoid that. Uh, we turn it on. So in order to turn it on, there's a couple ways. You don't need the controller. You could do it from here. You can see this is to go reverse, all right? And this is the actual speed of the actual controller, and this is the IR for the actual remote, right? So, like I said, you don't need the controller. If you lose the control, you don't have to worry about it. But let's set out as it is. So we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna put the mouse in here, right? We're gonna spin it. We're gonna put it fast speeds, right? Right now it's at fast speeds, and then you can always change it directions. You could stop it, you could play it, and then if you want to lower it down the speed, you can. You could pose the model in a certain way to stop, if you guys can see that, and go back. Now, this one only goes halfway rotation, and then it stops again and it starts again. Now, this one goes almost 480 rotation. They give you options here, which is great, right? And like I said, now we're going to do the 180. This is 180 the rotation, and then you can go back to normal however you want. You could hit the plus or minus. So I want to show you. I use a whiteboard, all right, and I raised it up a little bit, but I'm capturing the best shots, and I'm gonna move this a little bit further up so you guys can see it. We'll move it as close as possible, and then I'm just gonna hit the 180. Look at that. You're getting beautiful shots on here. And this is all within the system. I mean, you're showing your customers, or if you want to demo a product, this is the best way to do it.